What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over medical practice marketing. So 7 ways essentially for medical practices to get more patients. And a lot of it is kind of one overarching strategy all put together. So if you are trying to get more patients, if you're struggling with your marketing for a new medical practice or an existing medical practice, reach out to Surfside PPC. We can help you get the phone ringing. We can help your Google ads work. But these are kind of the main things that I always start with when if you're a medical practice that needs more patients, this is where I would get started. So number 1 is always going to be build a website that books patients. So seems simple enough, but I've seen plenty of websites where, just kind of make it more usable and make it easier for somebody to go in, book, and be done with it. So this is one that I put together. It's just a very quick, beautiful smiles right here in Charleston, book appointment, phone call. So make it very easy for people to call you. You can have a third-party booking appointment software connected to your website, and you could basically go from, somebody goes to your website, books the appointment, shows up to the appointment, finishes, and then you follow up with email, with text message, basically saying, hey, here's your next appointment that we have scheduled for you, or go here to book your next appointment. Hey, if you enjoyed everything, please leave us a positive review. That's kind of the goal with all of this with your digital marketing strategy. It's how do we keep people engaged from the process where they go, you know what, I am located in Denver and I need a dermatologist, to all the way going and booking on your website, showing up to the appointment, and then leaving you a 5-star review. Because that's really all the things you need to do consistently. And, everything else in between is provide good service, answer the phone, get your appointments booked, make sure you're, doing everything else to run the practice. But those are all the important parts of keeping your medical practice as busy as you possibly can. So coming back over here to our presentation here. So number 1 is always building a website that books patients, visible phone number, call buttons, make sure it is accurate and working, an appointment booking button that is accurate, that shows, make sure everything works. I always say after you launch your website, test everything and ensure that everything is working, mobile friendly, and easy to use, essentially, like very obvious and easy to use. That is the number 1 goal. It's like you want people to know, hey, this is where we are. This is when we're open. These are the insurances that we accept. Yes, we're accepting new patients. Yes, you could fill out the forms before you get here. Here's all the services you provide. Here are all of our doctors. So without that, you basically have this kind of open-ended, is this really something I can trust? So I opened a few websites. I did Dermatologist Denver and opened up a few websites. If you saw a website like this, you're going to say, okay, this is a professional website. They have the patient forms, services, meet the team, location home, insurance. Everything you need is right here. So Apex Dermatology Group is now part of U.S. Dermatology Partners. Great. Well, they have a nice website. The next one was Denver Dermatology Center, another really nice website. So simple, effective, different types of medical, cosmetic, our practice, schedule an appointment, make a payment, product store. So very easy to use, specific pages for cosmetic, specific pages for some of the different cosmetic treatments they have. Here's another one here. So Premier Dermatology. This is one where, they have different services listed here. We will go over the pediatric later on. This was another one. So this is one where the first one I saw where I was like, I'd probably be trying to improve this a little bit. Basically, Denver Healthy Skin and Acne Clinic. You do have some images in here. So a glimpse inside the treatment room. Book now, 10% off your first service. You come in here 1 hour and 10 minutes for $185. Great. 1 hour for $100. But the thing to me is if people are coming in here, they may book. Most people are not going to book unless they see more information about you, your practice, and essentially like the before and after. So this is definitely better, essentially, is having about the clinic. I would personally probably say, redesign the website, make it a little bit more professional looking, but ultimately it might be one of those things that's like, hey, we do an acne program. You come here, you sign up, denverhealthyskin.com, you send people there, they sign up, you do the rest. So might not need the biggest, greatest website in the world, but it does help to have a nice professional website to help you book patients. Next is going to be your Google business profile, and really just making sure your Google business profile is built to drive people in, built to sell your services, and, making sure that you are getting new reviews, replying to reviews, adding images, your profile is fully built out. So if you're Elevated Dermatology here, so Elevated Dermatology, a little bit further down from the actual Denver, and it looks like they're actually in Littleton. So if you go in here and they're like, okay, how can we improve our presence? I always say, okay, do we have all of our services listed here? Sure, looks like it. They do have all their services. Images, photos, videos. Do we have all of those in here? Could we potentially add more of those things? Do we have anything from any of our existing patients? No. That's something where it's like, hey, we're encouraging our patients to take a picture of the practice. It doesn't have to be a picture of the patient itself. Taking a picture of the practice and just essentially leaving us a 5-star review. So that would be very helpful for them. Reviews, it looks like they are getting reviews, but it's one of those things 4 months ago, 3 months ago, 3 months ago. So it's one of those where you really just would want to get ultimately more reviews coming in, because review velocity is really important to go along with your overall review score. But honestly, 4.8 out of 5, they have everything filled out. Looks like they're replying to reviews. They have ways to book their appointments, go directly to their website. And we have the website here. So let's see what our website looks like. And it's a nice looking website. So this is exactly what you're looking for is, okay, do we have all of these pages created so that when somebody goes, you know what, I need diagnostics, skin diagnostics, do we have a page for that? So this is a nice website overall. So to me, this should probably do pretty well with this specific website, but nice business profile, nice website, get a lot of reviews, reply to your reviews, and just be consistent. As a business, it's something that you don't want to just forget that page exists. Post to it, make sure that it stays active, and it's going to help you overall in the long run to get more reviews and to improve your overall local presence when people are searching for local dermatologists. And you have a page now with 200 plus 5-star reviews, and you're ranking really well in your local area. And when people are searching for it, now you're showing up. Next is going to be run Google ads for high intent searches. So there are people all day long going on Google and searching dermatologist near me, dermatologist Denver, and also searching for specific treatments. So if you're a dermatologist doing Botox near me, and we'll see what we get here. So I'm in Murrells Inlet. I get absolutely nothing, surprisingly. But if you're doing, have Botox treatments, then that's something that essentially, if you're advertising, you send people to this page, you have a better chance of getting new patients in the door with that. If we do Botox, let's see, Phoenix, if I could spell, one letter off to the right, and there we go. Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center. And we'll go to the website, and there you go. We have claim your Sculptra voucher, buy 2, get 1 free. Okay. We have another one down here. So you can see basically all the different areas where we can, different things where we could target, and you'll see who's ranking here and then who's actually running ads or, has a high overall result. But if you're not listed in this top map pack and you're Botox Phoenix and we start getting down to Morph Aesthetics, you might be like, yeah, we probably have to run some ads in order to get ourselves into that top portion in the Phoenix area, just because there's so much competition. And even 5-star rating, 200 reviews, there's other ones around here that have thousands of reviews. So that's kind of the challenge that you have there. Next one is, in Google ads, it does take skill, obviously, to run Google ads. If you're trying to run Google ads and struggling, you can always reach out to Surfside PPC. We can make it work for you, but running Google ads for high intent searches is one of the best ways to get people in the door. Sending paid traffic to landing pages. So this is, the Botox page here. They have a pediatric dermatology page. When people are searching for something specific, if somebody's looking for medical dermatology, you don't want to send them to a Botox page. If somebody has a rash on their hands, they're not looking for Botox. So understanding what pages you're sending traffic to is really important, and also making sure you have a usable, friendly homepage that gets people in and makes it very easy to book, call, message, all of those things. And, sending paid traffic to a website and ensuring that website is designed to convert is a huge aspect of your medical practice being successful. Build reviews that win the click. Essentially what this means is when somebody is searching Botox Phoenix and they do a search and they're in the places, and we have, Beverly Hills, we have Club Inject, we have Naked MD. Then we start getting into some of these organic in here. Reviews that win the click. Essentially, if you're down here, and this is what's kind of, they're in Scottsdale, but if you're further down or if your ratings are not 5-star or 4-star, you may struggle to really rank high, because you see the rankings here. And even here, 4.7, Arcadia Wellness Center, medical spa in Phoenix. We go to the website, probably a nice website. And essentially it's like, we have our summer specials here, but essentially there's just so much competition that if you're at a 4.7, there's 20 other here that are at a 4.8 or higher. So there's so much competition that making sure that you have really good reviews, replying to reviews, and if you do have negative reviews, being honest about it and just saying, hey, we didn't live up to expectations, or replying in a way that's, hey, this is not true. And if it's something that case, then work to get it removed. So if it's something where you didn't meet the standard of, of what your practice is, then yes, reply to it and make sure that you are reviewing all of your reviews, replying to them, and keeping all of your patients happy. It's also one of those things, just ensure you have follow-up. So automated follow-up after the appointment, both email, message, SMS, both of those things are going to help you drive more reviews. And reviews are a huge aspect of word of mouth marketing, with which through Google Ads is a huge way to rank higher. Follow up fast on every single lead. So speed wins the patient. So make sure you answer the phones. Make sure that your front desk who answers the phones are good at going from phone call to booked appointment. I have worked with medical practices before where they're not good at that, and you see kind of a drop off, and they're like, yeah, I don't really know what's happening. And then you find that, okay, we have 3 people answering the phone, and one is clearly not, one does not go from phone call to booked appointment as well as the other 2. You see it more on sales calls. With this, there's not as much of a sales to it. It's more of, hey, we're looking for an appointment as a pediatric dentist. But following up fast, whether it's a booked appointment, ensuring that people are getting the confirmation, those things stay organized. That's really where having people in-house to help, your patient organization all kind of stay steady and stay on the rails is it really important. So part of marketing is getting people into the building. Part of your organization is getting people to, that whole process to be efficient as well. So you can focus on providing a great standard of care and not really worry about all the other details involved. Next is track what brings in patients. This is really important, just understanding, hey, we're spending money here, here, and here. What is actually bringing in our patients right now? Is it Google ads? Is it Meta ads? Is it, what exactly is it? Are we using call tracking? Do we have enhanced conversion tracking set up? So all of those things are really important. And then going into your Google Analytics 4 data every month and just saying, yeah, we have Google Analytics 4 setup. We're looking through all of this data. How do we ensure that we are putting our budget behind the best possible things so that we're not flying blind every month? So understanding what works, but a combination of essentially building a beautiful website, running some Google ads. So if somebody's, searching for Botox Phoenix, you got to realize there's 2 ads at the top here right now. Beverly Hills must be spending a lot because they're at the top for every single search. So that's when I'm just in the places section. If we go to the all section, you'll generally see a lot of ads on here as well. And now keep in mind, you also got to deal with the people that are mobile Botox and fillers. So people will go to you or go to their own patients and they don't have to come to your office. So if you're trying to grow your practice, medical marketing strategies to get more patients, I always say start with the website, make that work. User friendly, make it SEO friendly, start running Google ads. Those 2 things together are going to be the best way to really stay as present as possible to make sure that people in your local market, when they're searching, have a good chance of finding you. So if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.